Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video again we're going to show you a very great and cool self-working card magic trick that you can fool anyone. Again, it's like one of our previous videos that it didn't need any tutorial. You should just follow what we do in the performance, and yeah, you can do it for the first time too. But it has some notes and actually we will tell you during the performance and during the video. So yeah, and we have to say that we were truly happy, and we thank you because you for your comments and for your subscribes, and that we can make more good videos like this. So yeah, and we will try to do what you said. Okay, as always, let's start. We have a normal deck of cards, and we can do as many shuffle as you want. It's not important, yeah, and it doesn't need any setup. So yeah, for now we just do a simple thing, like we grab the deck, we make it into two piles. They should be half, not exactly half, but when we see it by our eyes, it looks like that they are half, something like this. Yeah, they are half. We put them right here. Tell the spectator, please pick a pile from these two pile. They will say this one. We grab it, we start to shuffle it as you want. It's not important, and we should not see any card. Actually, it's not that tricks. We just shuffle it normally. So we tell the spectator, please pick a card and put it on the table. They will say this one. Right now, this is the spectator choice that if he or she want us to see their card. So right now, because we don't have any spectators, so we have to see the card. It is two of diamonds. So again, we put it right here, and it also really put your card on one of these piles. You'll say, let me grab them here. You'll say this one, and put the other pile on it. It's not important which pile they choose. Okay, so for now it's so easy. What you need is just divide the whole deck into four piles, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we tell the spectator, look, where is your card? Just don't tell us what is your card. Just tell us where is your card. It's in this pile. In this pile. It's not important. Yeah, just tell us. We'll start to divide it. Sorry, let me. Okay, and now they tell us our card is in this pile, and we will remove the other piles. Let me, like this. Right now we just need this pile. Okay, with the last spectator again, this time it's face down. We should put the card face down. We make it into four piles again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One pile has more cards than the others. We'll remove that pile too. It was this one. This one now had four cards, but the other they have three cards. Right now, we have three pile. One of them is is in the center of them, and the other one is like the corners. We remove the corners too, the left and the right. And now, again, we have three cards here. Again, one of them is in the middle and right left. So we remove the left and the right cards, and we can say even we will remove the top and the bottom card. Yeah, like this. So, and now it's the turn. We tell the spectator what was your card for the first time. They will say two of diamonds, any card. So yeah, and we show it to them. this was a tree. It is so simple and it's for beginners almost, but for the first time it's so cool and you can fool anyone. So yeah, that was the magic. We hope that you like and you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos like this. Goodbye, and we will see you in our next video. Have a nice day.